Good morning guys. Today I am back with another video. Today I will unbox a particular product that is a dash cam, which is a very important modern accessory for your car. Why you should go for a dash cam? In case of any untoward incident or an accident, you need a proper evidence that to prove you are innocent or whose fault it is. So for that a dash cam is very important. Not only that, if it is GPS enabled, you have another facility also. If you get speeding tickets, you can prove that you are not at that speed. But this particular model is without GPS, but at least with this you can have a very good footage with which you can prove all the evidence that happens in any untoward incident. So before we install this particular product, I will unbox it, then finally install it in that particular car. The product is nicely packed and it has been procured from Amazon, and if you are interested to buy this product, I will give you the links in the description box. This is Qubo, and this is a Qubo make, and it has been a part of the Hero group, who is making different accessories for cars, and it claims to be made in India. So rather than going for a Chinese product, I will prefer to go for an Indian one, as warranty or post purchase problems, if anything happens, that will be taken care of. Okay, so this is for downloading the Qubo app, as this particular dash cam will be connected through your Android app. So for this there is a QR code, and regarding the product information also there is a QR code link. Let's find out what's inside. This is the particular dash cam. It can be rotated according to the position of your windscreen, and here lies your adhesive mount that has to be connected with your windscreen, and this is the power switch, and here is your memory card slot, and this is the reset switch in case you need to reset your particular camera. And one thing what I don't like, it is still the interface is mini USB, where the newer varieties are either USB-C or micro USB, which I would have preferred more. It's still the interface is mini USB, which is of older generation. Here you have the charger cum connector. There are two USB slots, so if one of your slot is engaged with the camera, another USB slot will be empty for your charging. And let's see what is inside. Inside there is the charging cable, which is a quite big size, so even a small and mid-size car or any car, whether it's an SUV or a saloon, you will be easily able to connect this with your camera. So, and this particular camera supports 128 GB micro SD card, and before purchasing the micro SD card, I will suggest you to go for HDHC card with higher transfer rate, because otherwise the footage will not be that good, because the footage may become choppy. So mind that while you choose your micro SD card. And here you have a pry tool in case you need to tuck your wires through the headliner. So they have provided this pry tool, which is a good addition. So let's go and install it inside the car. Let's open this particular lens protector. Here you see the orientation is being provided, so you follow this orientation, otherwise it may get stuck. So it's locked. Now I will get inside the car and connect this. So I am rerouting all the wires through the headliners through this A-pillar trim. So all this gets hidden. So let me finish it up. Here I have neatly tucked through this A-pillar trim, and finally I have brought it here. Now I will take the wire in such a way so that it doesn't tangles with your paddles. Now the dash cam has been connected. As you can see, I have brought wires all along the headliner via the A-pillar trim and below the dashboard, and it has been neatly tucked and dressed, and I have kept special attention so that the wire doesn't entangles with your feet. And here I have connected with the 12-volt socket. This is the Kia Sonet car, so here the 12-volt socket location is here. The socket location may be different for other cars. Now let me set up the app. So the app has been installed from the Qubo website. It is Qubo Pro app. Now I will try to open it. The app has been installed. Now I will open the app. Allow. There will be some parameters. I prefer to sign in with Google. So here the dashcam is Qubo dashcam. So I will select that. Next. Let me check. It will ask whether the red light is blinking in your dash. Yes, it's blinking. So you can see it's already blinking, this red LED. So I will press yes over here. It will scan. It asks you to create a password for this dash cam. At a password create kore now. Connect to device. So you get the message. Congratulations. So it's ready to use. So your camera is ready now. Shows it's connected. Now I will position the camera. So let's wait. তাহলে এই জায়গায় করে দিচ্ছি। Format হচ্ছে। So I am formatting the SD card. You need to press this button once to format the SD card. To check the recordings. So it has started recording. You can check in the camera how the orientation will be. So I will fix up accordingly, according to the orientation. So I have positioned it in absolutely the middle position. And here is the footage you can see. So let us drive the car and I will show you how the footage is during the daytime and during the night, and after that I will come to the conclusion. So advantages of this particular system is you can directly see the video in your phone app. And it's very easy in case you require it to show to anybody. You can directly download it within the app. So that's very easy. So this is the night footage, and I am letting you to judge how the quality of the dash cam is. The number plates, as you can see, is a bit visible. It's not absolutely clear, but it will do the job. there is a car and you see if the number plate is visible or not. So viewers, please judge yourself whether this dashcam is sufficient for you, and the night footage is sufficiently good considering the price of this dashcam. So the night footage is quite decent. Here comes the day footage, and the day footage is very good and it's absolutely clear, so you need not worry with the day footage, and everything is detailed in clear, and the viewing angle is quite great, so you have a wide coverage of the entire road length. Even the other side opposite lane is also visible to a good distance. And also regarding the day footage, you see the number plates are clearly visible, so you need not worry. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe, and if you like to comment, please do comment.